Hi, it's Mr. Tisdale, and today I'm going to walk you through what our next assignment is. And our assignment is going to be an argumentative presentation, and then later on we actually will write our argumentative paper. The standard that this covers is called an ISTE standard, and for ELA we are going to look at how you can be a creative communicator. So the standard says students communicate clearly and express themselves creatively, for a variety of purposes using the platforms, tools, styles, formats, and digital media appropriate to their grade. What your assignment will be is you will choose from a variety of highly debated topics, and you're going to give a 5-minute presentation on it. Your presentation can be made up of several things. You'll be up in front of the audience for 5 minutes, so you can think about ways that you can incorporate graphs, charts, videos, short clip videos, maybe 30 seconds or less for any video that you use. But you're being graded on how you can give a presentation and what you can incorporate into that presentation to keep your audience engaged. So you're using all types of digital media that you would like. You guys did a great job with your commercials, so I know you have that creativity in you, so that's what we are going to be looking at. Possible topics, I'm going to give you 2 places to look, and here are the links. The first one up here is procon.org, and it gives you several topics that are controversial, and it's up to you to choose which one you would like to do. Now what you will do, I will show you here in a little bit where you can submit it, and then I will tell you yes or no. There are some things that I don't like to talk about in school, so some things that are not appropriate right now for this assignment. So this is one site, and like I said, everything on here is not debatable. Like, we're not going to talk about the use of marijuana. We're not going to talk about probably abortion. So some of those things there are things that we are not going to discuss. If you look at the other link here, it has a list of 200 prompts for argumentative writing. And once again, most of these prompts are appropriate, but if there's something that is not, run it by me, or maybe you think it's not, run it by me, and then I will tell you yes or no. So there's 2 places for you to go and to think about the topic that you would like to do. On Monday you will receive more instruction. As of now, you need to start searching the 2 sources mentioned above. Once again, like I said, topics that are not appropriate, that I see as not appropriate for school, will not be allowed. Once you have your topic, there's going to be a link, and you'll click on this link to get your topic approved. So on this sheet here, I have everyone's name and the suggested topic. Just write, maybe 8 or 9 words. I don't want you to start shifting everything around about the topic, and then I will approve it. I will say yes or I will say no. So I should have everyone's name in here. If not, you can go ahead and you can edit this. You could add your name to it also, and make sure you're not messing around, because I can just go back and see who edited it and who did what. So find your name and then put your suggested topic, and over here I will tell you yes or no if it's approved or not. Other than that, I think that is it. Once again, there's 2 places for you to go to look for possible topics. And once you find a topic, some things that we'll discuss more on Monday is you have to find 3 pros for your topic, and then at least 1 con, and then you'll give 1 rebuttal for that con. And that's what you'll present in your presentation. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me, but what I'll be looking at now is the sign-up sheet, and I will approve your topic. I will say yes or no. Also avoid doing topics that someone else is already doing. I don't want to hear 17 topics on gun control. Alright, so you have to come up with something different if you see 2 or 3 other people are already doing that topic.